Stan is not my favorite character, but his lunchbox looks so good. Let's make it.
The first part is making fried rice. I start by frying onions until they become fragrant and then add ground beef. After it's cooked halfway through, it's time to add the vegetables and I season it with soy sauce. When the vegetables are cooked, I add the overnight rice and season it with oyster sauce, ketchup, and soy sauce. I know Dan's mother is not Asian, but I just love to season it this way. I choose a too small pan though, and it makes cooking a bit challenging. For the omelet, I prepare it in an easy way by mixing 3 eggs and season it with salt. I scrap it here and there and roll it around until it's fully cooked. I make the sauce by myself, but stupid me, I forgot to film all the details. So after frying the onions, just add all the ingredients that I have shown here. Now it's time to pack everything. Find a flat and clean surface to place cling film on. Wrap the omelette around the rice. And then remove the film when pressing it in the lunchbox. My omelette may not look as neat as in anime, but the texture is very soft and goes so well with the sauce.